bacon. So you'll need the ciabatta, the garlic clove, and we'll need the chicken thigh, and we'll need the bacon lardons. We'll need a baby gem lettuce, the baby plum tomato, the natural yogurt, and the avocado. And you'll need the olive oil, the pepper and salt. The oven to 200 Celsius. Tear the ciabatta into 2 centimeters chunks and put on a baking tray. Drizzle with oil and season with salt and pepper. Bake the ciabatta middle shelf of your oven until golden. Meanwhile, peel the garlic cloves and pop into a square piece of foil with a drizzle of oil scrunched to enclose. Pop it into a baking tray with ciabatta and roast on the same baking tray until it's soft to 8 to 10 minutes. Fry until golden and crisp. 8 to 10 minutes. Important, the chicken is cooked when it is no longer cooked in the middle. Put the bacon slide on the counts. Prep the salad. Trim the roots from the baby gem lettuce. Then halve lengthways and thinly slice widthways. Halve the baby plum tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in the bowl. Drizzle with olive oil. And season with salt and pepper. Make sure that everything is evenly coated. Set the lettuce aside to add it later or it will go soggy. Make the dressing. Once the garlic is ready, fully transfer to a bowl removed from the foil and mash with the back of a fork into a smooth paste. Add to a small bowl with the yogurt and season with salt and pepper. The avocado. Put it all together. Divide the lettuce and tomatoes and chicken, then avocado, then the bacon. Bread. Yes. Well, and yogurt dressing. There, now we finished the Cobb salad with chicken thigh and bacon. Ta-da! Watching us cook. Bye! And I hope you like watching the Cobb salad with chicken thigh and bacon.